Huzur, in chapter Ar-Rahman and chapter after Ar-Rahman, there is two ayats.
Which chapter after Rahman?
I don't have numbers.
All right.
I think Huzur could
Yes, I know,
generally.
that, yes.
There is a mention that on hereafter, for
yes.
good people and righteous people, there will be female with big dark eyes and pure and things. What is the real meaning of this? Please.
If female is asking me this question, she should know the meaning. In fact, in the hereafter there will be no female or male. People will not be divided into male and female. So, whoever is referred to is not a female. That means they would see each other with beautiful eyes. And this applies both to women as well as to men. To prove this argument, I always quote a verse of the Holy Quran which says, Ya ayyatuhan nafsul mutmainnatu irji'i ila rabbiki radiyatan mardiyah fadkhuli fi ibadi wadkhuli jannati, which means, O soul which is completely happy with me, Radiyah, fully satisfied with my treatment of her, and also about with whom I am fully satisfied, Mardiyah. Now here the reference is to a female. Then it says, Allah would tell such a soul, Udkhuli fi ibadi. Now how can a female enter ibad? Abd is a word for males. Wadkhuli, and still Allah continues to address her as a female. Udkhuli jannati. So that means, to the pride of women, the human soul is referred to as a female. And ibad is also included in that soul. For the girl slaves, ibad is not used. Word ibad is not used. This amatun means the slave of Allah. Abdu means the female, not the female, but the male slave of Allah. So this is a verse which positively establishes the fact that in reality there will be no gender of souls in the hereafter. So whatever is meant by big eyes is perhaps they will see each other, and because it is Jannah, both males and females would enter Jannah, so there they would be beautified. They would be so beautiful, like people like here, big beautiful eyes, so they would look at each other as such. So this is a possible interpretation, otherwise it's impossible to refer to sexes in the Jannah and hereafter.